Hello lovely quilters, my name is Maria from MB Quilt Studio and I'm one of the designers of the Little Amsterdam Quilt pattern. Today I want to invite you and talk about the Little Amsterdam Quilt Along. What is a quilt along, you might ask if you are a beginner quilter, or why is it good for me to participate in a quilt along? A quilt along, or QAL, you can come across of this abbreviation very often, is an event where quilters all over the world in different places sew the same quilt pattern in a given period of time. It can be very powerful if you know that you are not alone making that quilt, but there are other quilters who work on the same quilt. You can share your thoughts, you can share your questions or the progress of your work, which keeps you inspired and motivated. The host or the teacher, in our case it will be me, posts regular step-by-step video tutorials how to make this quilt and hints and tips which can help you during the quilt making process. You can also join a Facebook group and post your progress with a hashtag. In our case, I set up a Facebook group, the Little Amsterdam Quilt Along group, where you can ask your questions, share your photos. And I also ask you to use a hashtag Little Amsterdam Quilt Along 2003 if you want to share your progress of work so that everybody can see it. Let me show you a photo of the quilt and see what fun we are going to have during this quilt along. This quilt celebrated its 15th anniversary in 2022. Since then, many quilters made this heirloom quilt, either because they had connections with the Netherlands as a keepsake or just to make a fun house quilt. The quilt pattern was created by North Sea Quilters, a partnership of Marybeth, Tawfik, Leslie, Carol Taylor and myself. It's a confident beginner's quilt, but I can also recommend it to advanced quilters. The size of the quilt is 72 inches by 72 inches. It's a quilt in a quilt design where you have 7 bridge houses, canal and bridge in the center panel, surrounded with 24 houses in the border and finished with a foundation paste triangle border. So how can you participate in the upcoming quilt along in the summer of 2023? This quilt along is free. You only need to sign up and give your email address so that we can send you the tutorial videos during the quilt along. You can sign up under the link in this video, or you can go to our Facebook and Insta page, Little Amsterdam Quilts, where you can find a sign up form on the link trees, or you can sign up through the MB Quilt Studio's Facebook and Insta page. All the links are below in the description under this video. You also need a quilt pattern. You can find a downloadable quilt pattern on Marybeth's Etsy site. The link is below. You need this quilt pattern because all the real size templates are in the quilt patterns. They won't be included into the tutorial videos. You also find an instruction on fabrics and a detailed description of the whole quilt making process. And we also need to talk about the fabrics. The original quilt was made from blues and whites to recreate the Delft blue porcelain look. I'm going to use the same blues and whites in my quilt for the quilt along, so it will be easier for you to compare it to the quilt pattern and see which house we are making. But you can use any other color scheme, whatever you like. The only thing what you have to keep in mind is to have a good contrast between the walls and windows and the adjacent houses. If you need some inspiration, pop in to our Facebook and Insta page, Little Amsterdam Quilts, and you can see some color schemes over there. Or wait for the first week's video where we discuss the fabric choices in details. I know that the other two designers, Marybeth and Leslie, they are not going to use blues and whites, but some other colors. I can't wait to see it. What can you expect during the quilt along? This quilt along will start on Monday, the 29th of May 2023 and will last for 12 weeks. Every Monday morning, European time, I'm going to send you an email with a link to the step-by-step tutorial video of the upcoming block. That's why it's important for you to give the correct email address, so you definitely get this email. If you are on Facebook, please join our Facebook Little Amsterdam Quilt Along group, where you can ask your questions or show your work, and we will cheer you for your beautiful work. If you are on Insta, please post your photos quoting hashtag Little Amsterdam Quilt Along 2023. If you have any questions, you can message us or just write it in the comment on our Insta account, Little Amsterdam Quilts. This is the only time that we offer the Little Amsterdam Quilt Along free of charge, as later it will be converted into a paid on-demand course. As you participate in a beta version, we would like to honor your participation and feedback by offering this quilt along free of charge. You will have access to the links another 5 weeks after you received your last video, and of course you can ask questions on Insta or Facebook even during that time. And finally, let's talk about myself as your teacher of the quilt along. I have been quilting for 25 years and I have been teaching about half of that period of time. I love teaching all the patchwork techniques, hand or machine piecing, and I also love to teach quilting on the domestic machine. I love when my students enjoy quilting and I can see their development, and when they share their work, I'm just over the moon. I hope you are interested in joining our quilt along. If you are, please click on the links below and don't forget to sign up. The quilt along starts very soon. If you have any questions, please pop into our Facebook group or Insta or send a message through our YouTube channel. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the quilt along. Meanwhile, enjoy your quilting.